Into this video, we're going to see how to populate a buffer table via custom structure format CSV Parser in BHCO. The first step to import data into a buffer table is to create the buffer table itself. We already saw it into how to create a buffer table via API call in BHCO video. We're gonna repeat it quickly here. So, by executing this post call to the datamart CST endpoint, we're gonna create a buffer table. So this buffer table is gonna have an ID 2378, a name and identifier BHCO year, a structure with 7 columns of different types between varchar and numeric, and 2 primary key fields, ID and parent ID. Let's keep aside this information because we're gonna need them to create the custom structure ETL. Create a custom structure ETL, navigate to ETL and system tasks, ETL tasks, and add a new ETL of type custom structure format CSV Parser. Here we are just testing, so we'll immediately remove simulation mode and populate here with the information we just collected from the postman. So from the postman, we took the BHCO year buffer table name, the key columns ID and parent ID, and a semicolon separated description of the 7 columns that define the table that have type mixed between number and varchar. We can choose to truncate the table before loading it and to append the new lines. The next step is simply to report the directory to find the input file and to define the ETL engine that should run our task. Once this is done, we can save the run configuration and run the ETL. The ETL has run successfully, so the input file corresponded to the format we defined. Now we have to wait for the data sender task to complete. After the data sender task has run successfully, we can check into the data marts after about 10 minutes, and we can verify some data got imported.